You yes, come on. Hi everyone. I'm about to making Tobia's cake. So I've already made the cake. I'm just trying to set fire now since I do not have oven. Guys, I'm still here. The fire is coming up gradually. So this is now the fire is coming out gradually. I'm just preheating the sand. I'll so come and put the cake now. See if it's hot. Guys, the aroma is killing. Ah! No, you saying that? It's too much. No, you guys. Check the cake. Let me show you guys the cake. I didn't show you guys yesterday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. So this is the cake. Tovia has started eating it. See, that's what she did. She started preaching the cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tovia. Happy birthday to you. I'm done. Don't touch it. I'm proud of myself. Tovia is so eager to eat out from it. So I'm going to cut it down for her. Baby. I should give you. Auntie. Yes. Baby. Give you. I should give you. Which one? This one. It's so beautiful and it's big. What do you guys think? I've eaten from it. Tobia's eaten. I gave my neighbors. I'm going to send it to my mom. My sister is around. She'll be leaving soon, so I'm going to send it to my mom. And yeah. Rice is ready. This is the leftover sauce. I'm going to use this one, so I don't know what I'll use this one to do yet. But it's just going to be here. Look right. So Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. This is day 5, Vlogmas day 5. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed. Give this video a huge and a massive thumbs up. And yeah, please say a word of prayer to my baby girl that just turned 3, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.